Hello beautifuls! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rose water in your home. Homemade rose water. In case you didn't know, rose water is good for a variety of things and can be used in a few different ways, but in today's video, I'm going to be using rose water for a toner. And as a toner, rose water has so many benefits, I can't list them all today. It controls your oil, it balances out the pH levels in your skin, it's anti-aging, it's moisturizing, it's good for skin irritation, and the list goes on. So if you would like to know how to make rose water, please just keep watching. And also, if at any point you found that you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. So what you're gonna need is 1 to 2 roses. Depending on the size, you need it to fill about 1 cup. Also, the fresher the better, and organic even better because you don't want all the pesticides. And another tip is try to use only 1 color of rose because each color gives off a different smell. And if you mix them, sometimes it doesn't smell so great. Yeah, and then make sure you peel it all off and rinse them to remove any dirt and pesticide. Next, you're going to need some distilled water. Don't use tap water because it has bacteria in it. So if you don't have distilled water, just use boiled filtered water. So here I'm just gonna boil some of this water, and this is the water we're going to use to be making our rose water toner. Now, after you peeled off all the petals and discarded the rest of the rose, you're gonna wanna put them in a saucepan. You'll want to evenly distribute the roses, like lay them out on the saucepan. Okay, now you're going to take your distilled water or your boiled filtered water and pour it enough so that it barely goes above the roses. You want it to go a little past the roses, but not too much, because if you use too much water, your toner is going to be less potent, less fragrant. So I'm just gonna stir the rose petals around, making sure that they're submerged in the water as I add in some more rose petals. I just want to make sure that the water is just barely above the roses. Now here's a little trick that I love. What you want is to get some vodka and pour a little bit in, and what this is going to do is help preserve the rose water so it'll last a little bit longer. I honestly kept my rose water for a month, but if you have extremely sensitive skin, maybe keep it for about 2 weeks. Now put a lid on the pot and set the heat to low for 20 minutes. Make sure you don't boil it or simmer it, as this will ruin the properties and the fragrance of the rose water. When it's done, you'll notice that the petals are much lighter in color. Next, you want to strain the rose water. I'm doing it this way. This is a little jar I'm going to store in the fridge and use for later use. I made a lot of rose water, so yeah, that's why I'm putting some of this in the fridge. You could also freeze it to make it last longer as well. Now you want to store your rose water in a dark colored bottle. I'm just reusing this rose water toner that I got from Trader Joe's because it comes with a nice little mister. But yeah, preferably put it in a dark colored bottle because it's going to help preserve your rose water. I'm also going to add some lavender essential oil, about 12 drops or so. You can use another oil of your choice, but lavender has a lot of good properties for your skin. And there you guys have it. You guys just made your homemade rose water. And yeah, isn't it so cute? It's just pink and it smells good and it's gonna make you look cute and feel cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And please make sure you subscribe if you like this video so that you can see more videos like this. And that is it for now. I hope you guys enjoy your rose water. Good luck.